Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is the currencies. In currencies, basically, we are discussing one topic of idea. Basically, in idea, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is the how basically the doctors basically decides that this person's generation is supposed to go next or basically not supposed to go next. And one of the person told that nowadays basically our software companies are basically deciding. For example, in Mumbai, basically one person's generation is supposed to go next or basically not supposed to go next. That basically decided by the software company basically. So these all are basically software company in Mumbai. Just see basically Data Matrix, then Capgemini, Infocare Web Solution, IBM, Tata Consultancy, Accenture, Microsoft, Infosys, Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is very old company basically. So they basically might possible basically. They also basically decide basically whether this person's generation is supposed to go next or basically whether this one person's generation is supposed to go next or basically. So it might possible basically. So they also basically might decide. Then basically Infosys is there, Microsoft is there, Google is there. Google basically are American company, so they basically don't interfere in this basically in Indian basically, because they will directly say that basically, uh, sorry basically that is your India's problem basically, that you decide basically his generation is supposed to go on next basically, and few people says that Google owner basically are Gujaratis. That also we will discuss basically how basically Google owner basically that is basically telling that it's American, and few people says that that is Gujarati. That we are going to discuss in detail basically how basically the software company says that basically this generation is supposed to go next and this generation is not supposed to go next. So in more company basically Cognizant is there, then Tech Bharti is there. Tech Bharti basically is in Dubai also basically. When basically I visited the Dubai basically, that time also basically this company was there. Then Infocare Web Technology is there basically. And few people says that this entire company name and a name that is given by the Bollywood group basically. Yeah. Bollywood group basically say that basically we will give the name of the software company. For example, Tech Bharti that was basically created in Dubai city basically. Sorry, in Dubai basically the headquarter is in basically Dubai. Few people says that basically, that basically I don't know basically. Then basically these all are basically the famous companies basically. Best choice solution basically, that never heard about the name basically. Then also we will see basically what is that. They basically say that nowadays these software companies basically are playing the role basically of the selection of trained data basically. That is the 20 lakh people basically which has selected, that task is given to the software companies. And here basically we are taking the example of Mumbai software companies. And nowadays basically everybody knows that basically big software companies are basically in Mumbai only. And Mumbai is the heart of the city basically, heart of the India basically. They decides basically his generation is supposed to go next or his generation is not supposed to go next. Generation means what actually? One person asked the question basically, what do you mean by generation basically? He was basically in front of that Sunil R. Nair. Actually, Sunil R. Nair got this question basically. Sunil R. Nair, can you please tell the person basically who asked the question? He was basically software professional basically. So Sunil R. Nair basically given in the software professional language only basically. Do you know basically the one software basically you have created? Then he told that yes, basically I have created. Assume that that is basically the that is going to create one potato basically, or assume that is going to create one tomato. Then basically okay that I got it basically. And the professional basically was sitting, that was very dangerous person basically. He actually understood each and everything basically. Then after getting the question, after get the question basically, what after get the answer basically, what he has done, what basically decision he has taken, that I will tell you. Then basically he told that do you know basically what is next generation and what is end generation? Then he told that basically one software basically that is created of CRM basically, customer relationship management basically. So he told that customer relationship management system basically which is created that basically is going to generate that is going to generate tomato and potato. Then he told that okay basically that is going to create generate tomato and potato. So he told that basically one person told that basically yaar, this tomato and potato basically which you are generating there basically some changes is required basically. Everything was tested basically, but as per the time basically data which was getting by the nuclear power company, they basically given some suggestion basically this type of changes basically is required here basically. So can you please do that changes basically? Changes can be anything basically. Vitamin is too much, vitamin is not too much, that is not matching with the energy process basically which is going to generate the planet basically. That thing basically is not matching. So he told that basically that's basically very dangerous stuff basically. Then also we will try basically. We'll connect with the Microsoft group or basically Java group basically or the SAP group basically who designed this software basically. Because the base software basically on the base of the software basically you are doing the programming. So he told that okay basically we will connect to the Microsoft corporation and give your thing basically ideas basically. That this basically changes is required. They basically consult with the doctors basically. Energy doctor, they basically have the doctors of energy team and the blood cells team and the physical data physical doctors basically. In short basically each and every body parts doctor basically they connects with. They basically told that with these changes basically we are going to do to our base software. On the base of this basically they are going to create the CRM software. So he told that okay cool. Like this basically they tested it and then basically they told that basically we have done the changes, you can check it. But how they can check basically? They basically done few changes basically in the software basically. The changes basically required as per basically. So like this basically they added few functions, they added few procedures, they added few performance tuning data, they added few batch process, they added few performance tuning in the database. Like this basically they done some changes. That was basically vitamin basically few changes was of vitamin and few changes basically was of some body parts basically was generating too much basically too much power basically that body parts was generating, but that much body parts power basically we are not giving to the earth planet people. So just see basically up to what level the things are basically getting controlled by the nuclear power company. So he told that basically okay like this basically he done the changes and then after that basically changes basically deploy the things basically and given to the data to the nuclear power company. Like then basically they told that basically okay that is okay. So that basically changes basically which was done, that is generation next. And generation end basically is the software is totally closed. That after that basically they basically told that basically please close this fruit of please basically shut down this. Shutdown means please finish this fruit or basically vegetable basically because after this production basically we are not going to do the production of this vegetable and this fruit basically. So he told that okay that's all basically. So we are closing this software basically. So the next version which is going to come basically that is not going to come. So that is basically the generation end. This basically he explained in software industry format basically. So that software basically is end basically. So then basically one of the person asked the literally basically one question basically. Do you know basically in America people basically issues the visa that is basically H1B visa? Yes, basically I know basically. There are 22 crore people basically in America. Yes, basically told that basically if they have placed the 22 crore people, assume that basically India finished the relationship, then basically what is going to happen? Then one person told that nothing is going to happen. Then he told that basically in India basically around 35 crore people will die. Then the person basically given the answer basically, he was shocked here basically. By ending the relationship with America, how you can say that 35 crore people basically will die? How you can say that? How basically you judge that basically? Then he told that basically next video we are going to see that how 35 crore people will die.